Here, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PHOT. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. Been a while since the last time I did it, and we're going to do the 60-minute time frame real quick. What that means, if you're not familiar with charts, instead of each one of these bars or candlesticks as they are known representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 60 minutes worth of price action. And the reason I want to do this time frame is if we look on the daily, I'm not going to call the daily chart worthless, but there's not too much you can talk about from it given today's massive green candle and that it's up in blue sky breakout territory. So again, I'm not going to say that this is totally worthless, but I think we can extrapolate more information from it by looking at the 60-minute chart. So that's why we're going to hang out on this time frame here. So if you go back way back to who knows when, I can't remember the last video, I talked about this 12-cent level being a key level of resistance and the blue sky breakout level, and you can see that when the price did break above it, the price has really started to move quickly, so that's always encouraging. But I want to start off there because this is going to be the first key area of support. So I'll change this line to green. This resistance has not only been smashed but converted into support, so we'll call that level right up there at 12 cents. You can see here was an area of resistance, so there is the conversion point where it was converted into support. Another area of support is going to be right up here, and that level is located at 0.128. So 0.128, another level of support. And then the ideal level of support, meaning if you were to ask me what would make the chart look the absolute strongest in terms of just the overall appearance, it would be if the price can hold 0.132 going forward. Now, by no means is this a must-hold level, so if the price were to fall below here or whatever, don't freak out or panic because you still do have all these other levels of support. But again, what would make the chart look the strongest? Simply this, if this 0.132 area could hold as support, because if it can hold up here, you'd have this tight little range, get a nice little bull flag that would take shape, and then have it break to the upside. But all in all, don't get me wrong, great looking chart. The daily chart is one where if you were looking for an uptrend to put into a textbook as an example, this would be a great one that you could do that. But all in all, great chart. Keep your eye on these levels of support. Really nothing to talk about in terms of resistances because we are in blue sky breakout territory. I suppose you could call 14 cents the level of resistance since that's where the profit taker stepped in today. But really outside of that, blue sky breakout territory, so you just got to use your gut instincts. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to click up on the link above. If you enjoy the video and want to learn more about charting, or maybe already use charts and you're looking for some advanced strategies, click on that and go to our online store. We have multiple instant download courses that have been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials, everything designed for beginners up to advanced traders. So I'd encourage you to check those out and give them a try. One more time, this was PHOT. Thanks for listening.